Hello and welcome to Technology Live YouTube channel. We are starting our new video lecture series, The Arduino Platform in English. In this series, we will learn about the basics of Arduino and will do some practical. It's our first class and it's the basic introduction about Arduino. Let's begin. So, when we start Arduino, the first question which comes in our mind is what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source prototyping platform which is used to build electronic projects that mainly use microcontroller. Now, what is open source and what is prototyping platform? Open source is that where source code is released under a license in which the copyright holders or owners grant users the rights to use, study, change, and distribute the software to anyone and for any purpose. That means its source code is available for everyone. Prototyping because by the help of this we can make our prototype devices. You heard about microprocessor or processor. It's used in our mobile computer or laptops. It's called the brain of our devices. If we put microprocessor, RAM, memory and IO in a single chip, that chip is called microcontroller. Arduino Uno basically use Atmega 328P microcontroller. What is Arduino used for? It is basically used for making prototype devices or doing some school or college projects where our device takes some input by the help of some sensors and gives some output by the help of actuators. Now, what is sensor and what is actuator? Sensor is a device which detects events or changes in its environment and send the information to other electronics like microcontroller. An actuator is a device that is responsible for moving and controlling a mechanism or system. Or in simple words, we can say sensor takes inputs and actuator gives output to the microcontroller. Now, how many types of Arduino used? Arduinos can be of many types. Some examples are Arduino Uno, Arduino Duo, Arduino Mega, Arduino Leonardo. Why so many types? So many reasons. We use Arduino for different purposes. For example, if we need so many input output pins, we have to use Arduino Mega. If we have small space, then we can use Arduino Nano or Arduino Mini. Here the list is provided. If you are interested or you need, then you can pause the video and go through it. Now our question comes here. Which language Arduino use? Arduino use basically C or C++. In this video, our last topic is Arduino environment. What is environment? We know the environment is our surrounding or conditions in which a person, animal or plant lives or operates. Exactly like that, Arduino has some environment. Arduino's environment made up of three components: Arduino IDE, Arduino board and Arduino Shield. So, what is IDE? IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, is where we write, compile and run our Arduino code. It's also called cross compiler because it compiles a code in a device for another device. It's used to program the Arduino microcontroller and it's available for all type of computer like Macintosh, Windows, Linux, Android. It's often called software component of Arduino. What is development board? Development board is the programmable main board or main hardware component of the Arduino where our microcontroller is placed. It consists of various components, input-output pins and an USB programming interface which also provides power. Now, what is SHIELD? It's basically an Arduino-sized unique functionality board often called daughter board, easily attachable with Arduino and which has a large open source community with good libraries provided, by the help of which we can easily do a very complex program in a very simple way. So basically it's about today's introduction. In the next lecture we will discuss some more things about Arduino. If you enjoyed, then please like and share this video. Please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching.